Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So today I have a huge Myntra haul for you guys, and I know that you guys love my haul videos. So I'm gonna share a lot more with you guys, and if you like this one, you know what to do. Comment and like this video. Anyways, in this video I have a lot of dresses to share with you guys. A lot of them are super affordable. I think all of them are just too affordable. Some of them are under 300, a lot of them are under 500, and I think it starts from 250 to 70 something. So you're gonna have something for everybody. And if you are going to college, if you are going for after hours, after party, after office, something is for everybody in this video. So I'm sure you guys will love it. Now also, if you do not follow me on my Instagram, make sure you follow me there, because I'm gonna style all of them on my Instagram. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get into the video.
Oh god, I think I'm gonna be sick. Uh-oh, here we go again. 10, 9, 8, 7. Oh, fuck it, just play the tune.
Alright, so let's start with what I'm wearing right now. This is a beautiful pink dress. I love the puffy details, and I think it has that very beautiful texture on the whole dress. Like the fabric has that texture which just adds that little oomph factor to your dresses, and the fact that it is super affordable, I love that. And this is, I would say, my most favorite dress from the whole haul. And then I love the puffy details on the sleeves. It just adds a beautiful touch to your dress. And also from the back, it has that elastic which I really love. I find it really sexy in a lot of dresses, and I love dresses that have that. So this one is super affordable option to check out if you are in college, or if you want to have something, you know, just for your after parties or after hours of your offices. I would definitely suggest this one. So check this one out. And also there will be a try on haul going on right on the side of the screen. I hope you can see. And also I do not remember the prices, so I leave them on the screen, and everything else will be linked in the description box for you guys. Okay, moving on to another one of my favorite. I love the color, I love the print as well, and I feel like this is so beautiful, especially for your vacations. If you're going on any tropical vacation, this will be a perfect fit for that. Just imagine this on a beach. It looks so beautiful. Okay, let's talk about this one. So this one again has that beautiful puffy sleeve detail, and I love the print. I have already said. Also the bright orange color is just so beautiful. It's not it's not like totally orange. It has a mix of pink and orange, which is something I find really unique, so I love that. Also at the back, it has that no, not at the back, it on the side, I guess it has a zip detailing, so you can get that perfect fit and it will not be flabby on you. And as you can see, this one also has these details. It's like a cutesy frock that we used to wear when we were young, and I feel like this is just so cute. I really like it. The fabric is polyester, which is something I am not a fan of, but I would still suggest this one, because when we go on vacations, we don't really wear it for a long time, or we don't really wear it a lot. And for the price, I feel like I will justify the fabric. Like I really like it. Alright, so moving on to another one. I'm sure by now you know I'm obsessed with all shades of pink, and this is another beautiful, I guess, salmon pink or something in between, a mauvey pink. This is so beautiful. This is like a very beautiful casual dress that would be perfect for a day out or a movie or a brunch with your friends or whatever. It's just very cute. And the only reason I got it for because was it was so cheap. Like I think around 280 or something. I'm not sure. I'll leave the price on the screen, but this is like amazing for the price. And also I love the fabric. Like the fabric is a nice mix of cotton and maybe a little, I think it's 70-80% cotton at least, but it feels really nice. And I love the sleeves detail as well. This is something I do not have in my collection, so I feel like if you like wearing dresses on a casual day out, you'll love this one. Just get it in a proper size, because this one is L and it's a little loose for me, so I think I would prefer an M for this. And this one also comes with a side zip, so you can go for a perfect fit without having to trying too much to get into it. I think this is really cute. I love the neck detail as well, because I love the necks that have a little deep detailing. And as you can see, this one has that elastic detail which looks really beautiful, and it also is sort of square neck, which is something I really like. Okay, so next up I have this beautiful green dress. Now I love the green against the pink. It looks really beautiful, and I do not have anything like this. I like the color, but I feel like the camera is not doing justice to it, so maybe you can see it in a try on haul, like the perfect color of the dress. Anyways, there are like tie-up details on the sleeves. No, I don't think it has sleeves. These are just like pretty straps which you can tie up, and it has that smocking detailing at the back. And this one was loose to me. I think it's an L size, so you could go for M if you are pretty similar to my body type. Now the only reason I did not like it is because it's a pretty long dress, and I do not really like midi dresses. I'm more into either maxi or mini dresses, so I'm not sort of a fan of a mid-length dress. But if you are taller than me, I think this would look very beautiful on you. So yeah, but otherwise I like the dress. Again, the fabric is polyester, but for the price I'm not complaining. I don't think I remembered this dress when I said that this is my favorite. I feel like this is also one of my favorite dresses from the haul. First of all, I love the color. I don't think I have any dress in this color, so I love the cobalt blue, which just looks perfectly according to my skin tone, and I feel like this is a very flattering color, also the color of the season. And let's just talk about the sleeves. It's so cute. I love the proper girly vibe that this dress gives. I feel like it again would look really good on a vacation, and this is like a proper frog dress. And here you can see the overlap detailing, and on the back it has that plain back, and also the fabric is really good. It's pure cotton, and it just looks really beautiful. If you're going to buy any dress from this haul, get this one. It's really nice. Okay, so I think when I was shopping for these dresses, I had a vacation on my mind, because look at this. It's so pretty. The print just looks fab, and it's a proper maxi dress if you are short, and it will be sort of an ankle length dress if you are taller than me. It just looks so beautiful. I love the silhouette of the dress, and as you can see, it has smocking detailing at the back and then on the waist as well. And then in the front, it's not too deep, but it's also really nice and sexy, so I love that. And the fabric is pretty good. According to the price, I'm not complaining for any of these, and it's actually a softer fabric compared to the other polyester fabric I use. I think this one is much more softer, and this is definitely something that I would love to wear on my next vacation. And I feel like the color is going to suit a lot of people if you are into prints, and I've been seeing a lot of bold prints on my Pinterest lately, so I feel like this is very similar to that, and it's catching that holiday season vibe perfectly, so I feel like you can definitely grab this one. Okay, next up I have this one. I kid you not, I love the fabric. This is very similar to the last one. I think the brands are also the same, and this one again is very soft fabric and has a very similar smocking on the back. And I feel like I like the fitting and the silhouette of this one better on me compared to the last one. And I love the the print as well. I hope you can see, and I feel like it just adds that beautiful hourglass shape to the waist, and it just looks so beautiful. It has that really nice tie up at the waist, which makes it look really nice and petite. So I love that about this. Again, this sort of touches on my ankles, and it's a beautiful dress. If you are going for in Italian summer, you will love this one. We have a very different dress. It has that retro vibe, which is very different from all of the other dresses that I've shown you. I think this is the last one, and I love this one. I feel like this is something I do not have, and the best part is that it's strapless. I am a lot into strapless tops and dresses. I just love them, and I love the fabric as well. And I kid you not, this is super inexpensive. I think I got it for around 470 or something, definitely under 500, and this is the best find. The only problem is that this one is in the size XL, and it is super loose to me, so I think an L would have been a better fitting. It would be more snug around the waist, which is something I like, and this one is a little loose around my bust area as well, so I will size down in this one. But I feel like for the price, this is such a beautiful find, and I kid you not, this is something you should definitely have if you have a theme party. If you have a retro party, you will love this. And even even if you're looking for like a birthday dress and you want a very sophisticated and nice and sexy something, you will love this one. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and you found it helpful. If you did, then make sure you like this video and comment below whatever your thoughts were, and also let me know which one was your favorite. And all the links will be in the description box. Plus make sure you're following me on my Instagram, because I'm gonna style all of these there, so you will kind of understand how I'm styling these and everything else I'm pairing them with. So it will be helpful for you guys, I guess. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys in my next video. I love you so much. Bye.